Hi there. Are you ready to practice English?
Yes, I am ready.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study business.
Do you like your classes?
Yes. They are interesting.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My English teacher.
Why do you like English?
Because it helps me talk to people around the world.
Do you study English every day?
I try to study every day.
How do you practice?
I watch videos and read books.
Do you have any English books?
Yes. I have a grammar book and a storybook.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music and draw pictures.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
What is your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran.
Do you watch English movies?
Yes. With subtitles.
What is your favorite English movie?
I love The Lion King.
That's great movie.
Yes. I watch it often.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes. I have one sister.
What does she do?
She's in high school.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread, eggs, and a banana.
Do you go to school by bus?
No. I walk.
What do you do after school?
I relax, do homework, and sometimes watch TV.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza and fried rice.
What drink do you like?
I like orange juice.
Do you cook?
Sometimes. I can make noodles and omelets.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes. I usually sleep 7 to 8 hours.
Do you use social media?
Yes. I use Facebook and YouTube.
Do you like making videos?
Yes. I want to make English videos one day.
That's great idea.
Thank you. I just need to build confidence.
Practice helps a lot.
Yes. Like this conversation.
Do you want to practice again tomorrow?
Yes. Let's do it again.
Perfect. See you then.
See you. Bye.